Today we're gonna talk about Uber Compositor, which is a Blender add-on that you can use in the Compositing workspace. Using it, you can quickly and easily add a variety of common effects in your renders, including glare, vignetting, color temperature, exposure, and more. If you had trouble compositing, or you're just starting out and you are wondering how these great renders were created, and how you can make your renders look amazing, you may believe that compositing is the only solution. But the truth is that Uber Compositor can solve this issue for you as a beginner. It has a ton of built-in filters that can help you create stunning renders. And the best part is, it is user-friendly for beginners because you can add filters with just one click. Now, how to use the add-on? You must first render one frame in your scene, and then go to the Compositing workspace. Also check the Use Nodes and Backdrop boxes. If you want to see the changes as they happen, add a viewport output and connect it to an image in the render layer. Next comes the User Compositor portion, which you can find in the Add menu. You can see all the available filters by clicking on it, and once you do that, you will see a new node popping up with a bunch of settings that you can play around with. Now let's talk about the available filters. The first one is the standard User Compositor filter, which adds 4 different filters at once and connects to the other nodes automatically. However, the other filters must be manually connected. The other filters we are talking about include Color Adjustment, Effects, Soft Glow, Glare HQ, Atmospheric Lens Flare, Black and White, Bleach Bypass, Color Temperature, Dark Blue, Dreamy, Film Grain, Glare, Grunge Overlay, Highlight Fringe, Lens Dirt, Orange Steel, Sepia, Side Highlights, Vignette, and Circular Blur. Now, every filter has its own settings, which is a bunch of values that you can change and animate. And as you can see in the photo, you will see some effects with these filters. You might be wondering if this add-on is good, and to that I simply respond that yes, the add-on is impressive, and I believe every Blender user should give it a shot, especially if they are working on some projects with deadlines. First, it is quick, effective, and incredibly simple to use. You will save yourself a bunch of time on your workflow by just using this tool, because you can simply substitute adding dozens of nodes just to create one filter with adding one filter of this add-on with one click. Most importantly, it allows you to have the same high quality in your renders as if you are using Blender compositing nodes. Also, it is entirely customizable and works with all scenes and styles. So if you want a quick compositing solution, this might be it. If you are interested in this add-on, you will find the necessary links in the description. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can also check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.